Tired of payment headaches after winning that dream car at Copart? First, log into your Copart account and navigate to the Payments Due section. You'll find this usually under the My Account or Dashboard area here. You'll see all the vehicles you've won and need to pay for. Locate the specific invoice you want to pay. Take note of two crucial pieces of information: your beer number and the invoice number. You'll need these for the Moneygram transaction. Now, head to your nearest Moneygram location, or use the Moneygram website or app. Start a new transaction and select Send Money. Here's where the process can get tricky, so pay attention. When asked for the receive code, enter 2250. This is Copart's designated code. Under the company name field, clearly write Copart USA, Inc. This ensures your payment goes to the right place. The next step is important. In the account number or similarly named field, enter your Copart beer number, followed by the invoice number. For example, if your beer number is 12,345 and the invoice number is 67,890, you'd enter 1,234,567,890 without spaces. Complete the payment process at the Moneygram location or online. Be sure to save your confirmation receipt or screenshot the online confirmation. This is your proof of payment. Copart typically processes Moneygram payments within 2,448 hours. You should see your invoice status updated to paid in your Copart account, and that's it. You've successfully paid Copart using Moneygram. Now you're one step closer to getting your vehicle.